Welcome to Copying Your Canvas course. In this portion, we'll be discussing managing your shared content. When another user shares content with you in Canvas, you'll notice a flag with a number on it over your profile picture. When I click on my account menu, I can see that shared content has a number after it. By clicking on shared content, I can see what material has been recently shared with me. I can see what type of content it is, who it came from, when it came, and I have options as to what I can do with it by using the three-dot kebab. It's important to preview content before doing anything else to identify exactly what has been sent to you. Use the X at the top right to close the preview. If you want to add this material to one of your courses, choose Import from the three-dot kebab and choose the course you would like to send this material to by typing the name in and choosing it from the drop-down. You do have the option for pages, assignments, and other individual items to add it to a specific module by choosing it from the drop-down. And again, you have the option where in the module you would like it placed. When you've made your choices, choose Import. We are given a visual indication that our import has started successfully. Once you've added the content to a course, you do have the ability to delete it from your received content list by using the three-dot kebab and choosing Remove. This will not remove the content from any course that it has been imported to. It only removes it from your received content list. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.